Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the message or note that there are errors in your return. And of course, to do that, just head over to Intuit TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. So, we're currently logged in and we're just going to continue to our progress. And this should redirect us to our homepage. Next, in the left panel, scroll down and you should be able to see Tax Tools. Then click on it. A drop down menu or more menus should appear or pop up. Just head over and click on Tools. A window will then pop up, and from the options list or settings list, click on Clear and Start Over. This option in TurboTax lets you completely erase your current tax return and start fresh. Just a reminder that this option will wipe out all the data you've entered so far, and the option restores your return to its blank initial state. This also lets you choose a different TurboTax version if you initially picked the wrong one. So if you've decided, just head over and click on yes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!